The 22LR is the most owned, most underestimated cartridge in the country. Every man on this list has probably put more rounds of it downrange than any other caliber combined, and most of them still have not found the one rifle that fully earns its place in the safe. That ends today. By the time we get to number 1, you are going to be looking at a platform that is making veteran precision shooters question whether they ever needed anything else. Some of these rifles will surprise you. A couple of them will annoy you. One of them is going to make you pick up the phone. Stay with me. Number 10. Rossi RS22 Semi-Auto 22LR. For a rifle that retails at around $150, the Rossi RS22 has no business being this competent. It is a blowback-operated semi-auto chambered in 22LR, 18-inch barrel, fiber optic front sight, adjustable rear, and a 10-round detachable magazine, with an optional 22-round mag if you need it. Overall length sits at 36.5 inches, and it tips the scale at just over 4.5 pounds. At 50 yards with bulk CCI Minimax, it will keep groups at 2 to 3 MOA without flinching. This is the rifle you hand to a grown man who has never pulled a trigger, or the rifle you keep in the truck to deal with pest problems without wincing every time you scratch it. The polymer stock is cheap. That is not an opinion. That is a fact, and trigger pull quality reflects the price tag. The honest trade-off is simple. You are buying reliability and function, not craftsmanship. Buy it for what it is. Use it hard. Nobody has ever regretted spending $150 on something that actually works. Number 9 is where this conversation starts getting more interesting. Number 9. Marlin Model 60 Semi-Auto 22LR. Over 11 million sold. That number is not a marketing line. It is a historical verdict. The Marlin Model 60 has been in continuous production since 1960, and it still outsells rifles with 3 times the pedigree and 4 times the price in certain markets. The reason is straightforward. The Model 60 is relentless. 19-inch micro-groove barrel, 14-round tubular magazine, simple last shot bolt hold open, and a blowback action that feeds bolt 22LR with remarkable consistency. Weight runs about 5.5 pounds. Current retail typically falls between $180 and $220, depending on the retailer. The micro-groove rifling, 16 grooves versus the standard 6, is where this rifle genuinely earns respect. It stabilizes a wider range of bullet weights cleanly. The weakness is the tube magazine. Loading is slower than a box mag, and it requires more discipline to keep clean. But there is a man in this community right now running a Marlin Model 60 he bought in 1987. It has never left the safe long. That is the honest reputation of this platform. Number 8 is where we start talking about a completely different experience at the range. Number 8. Henry H001 Classic Lever Action 22LR. The Henry H001 is an American walnut stock, blued steel barrel, side-ejecting lever action chambered in 22LR, and it is made in the United States. 18.25-inch barrel, 15 rounds of 22LR in the tube mag, or 17 long, or 21 short if you are keeping that kind of company, and an overall length of 36.25 inches at 5.25 pounds. Adjustable rear sight with a hooded front, grooved receiver for optics. Current retail runs approximately $370. It puts 15 rounds of 22LR downrange with a manual of arms that builds trigger discipline, follow-through habits, and a respect for the mechanical simplicity that made lever actions the dominant force in American hunting for a century and a half. Ask a man to explain why he shoots a lever gun, and he will struggle to put it into words. Take one to the range, and you will stop needing the explanation. The honest limitation is capacity relative to semi-autos and speed of follow-up shots. If that matters to your application, this is not your rifle. If it does not, there's a reason these keep selling. Number 7 brings us back to the semi-auto world, and the price-to-capability ratio is about to get seriously aggressive. Number 7. Ruger American Rimfire 22LR. The Ruger American Rimfire was built to provide a serious bolt-action 22LR experience at a price point that does not punish you for wanting quality. Current MSRP sits at $449. 22-inch cold hammerforged barrel in the standard configuration, 10-round rotary BX magazine, the same proven system as the 1022, adjustable trigger, and a synthetic stock that holds up in weather. Weight runs 6.25 pounds. The cold hammerforged barrel is not marketing language. At 50 yards with standard velocity loads, This rifle is genuinely capable of staying inside an inch. At 100 yards with premium ammunition, shooters regularly report sub-MOA performance. The honest weakness is weight. 6¼ pounds is not a problem at a bench, but it adds up over a day of field work. The trigger is also better than cheap and not quite exceptional. That said, for a hunter who wants a dependable bolt-action 22 LR that does not demand a premium price and does not embarrass itself at the target range, the American Rimfire is the working man's answer. The competition charges more for the same accuracy. Real specs. Zero fluff. Number 6 is where we leave the working class tier entirely. Number 6. Smith & Wesson M&P 15-22 Sport Semi-Auto 22 LR. Here is a statement that is going to generate debate in the comments. For training repetitions on an AR platform, nothing at this price point, nothing, makes more sense than the Smith & Wesson M&P 15-22 Sport. And if you have never had your hands on one, you might be about to change your opinion of what a 22 LR trainer can actually accomplish. 16.5-inch carbon steel barrel with a flash suppressor, 6-position cast stock, 10-inch M&P slim handguard with Magpul MLOK on all sides. Magpul MBUS front and rear flip sights. 25-round capacity in the box mag weight, 4.8 pounds. Retail runs approximately $429. The blowback action does not mimic direct impingement. Nobody is claiming otherwise, but magazine changes, charging handle manipulation, safety operation, and trigger discipline all transfer directly to your centerfire AR work. A man in our hunting club swapped his centerfire practice time to this platform during an ammo shortage 3 years ago. He said his groups improved. I'll let that sit where it lands. The trade-off, reliability is ammo sensitive. This rifle wants CCI ammunition to run clean. At number 5, we cross into a platform that has been winning rimfire competitions quietly for years. Number 5, Ruger 1022 Carbine, 2026 updated, semi-auto 22 LR. $8 million units, 6 to 2 years in continuous production. The most accessorized rimfire platform in the history of the American firearms market. The Ruger 1022 Carbine does not need an introduction, and it is going to get one anyway because the 2026 updated model has cleaned up the one complaint that held the stock gun back for a decade. The 2026 variant ships with a BX trigger and an extended magazine release as standard equipment. That is a significant development. The BX trigger breaks at approximately 2.5 to 3 pounds with a clean reset, compared to the factory pull of 6+ pounds that was a reliable source of frustration for anyone who shot this rifle seriously. The platform itself, 18.5-inch cold hammer-forged barrel, 10-round BX-10 rotary magazine, 5 pounds, blowback semi-auto action. Retail on the 2026 Carbine runs $389. What makes the 1022 what it is cannot be fully separated from what the aftermarket has built around it. Replacement triggers, barrels, stocks, bolts, magazines. But the 2026 base model is now a legitimate out-of-box performer in a way the factory gun was not 10 years ago. I know a man outside Knoxville who has pushed over 9,000 rounds through one of these without ever touching the action. His centerfire rifles see more range time than maintenance. This platform earns that kind of loyalty. Number 4 is where the bolt-action precision conversation gets deadly serious. Number 4, Savage Mark II FE bolt-action 22 LR. At roughly $300 to $350 depending on where you find one. The Savage Mark II FE is the most accuracy per dollar currently available in a 22 LR bolt action, and I will stand on that. The Aku trigger is the reason. Adjustable from 2 to 6 pounds without tools, breaking cleanly at whatever pull weight you set it. That trigger belongs on a rifle costing 3 times as much, and Savage put it in an entry-level bolt gun. 21-inch heavy fluted barrel, 5-round detachable magazine, synthetic stock, drilled and tapped for optics. Weight runs about 6 pounds. The heavy barrel profile suppresses harmonics during rapid-fire strings and keeps point of impact consistent as the barrel warms. A precision shooter I know ran one of these in NRL 22 club competitions for a full season before upgrading to a platform at 3 times the price. That is the story of the Mark II FV. It is not the most refined rifle on this list. The stock is basic and the magazine capacity is modest. But if you want to understand what this cartridge is genuinely capable of before spending serious money, the Savage Mark II FE is where you start that education. Number 3 is where the platform changes entirely. and the price starts climbing towards something that demands an explanation. Number 3. CZ 457 American Bolt-Action 22 LR. The Czech Republic builds some of the most accurate production bolt-action rimfires on the planet. That is not a controversial statement in any serious rimfire community, and the CZ 457 American is the entry point to understanding why. Cold hammer-forged 24.8-inch barrel with a 1 in 16-inch twist. Turkish walnut stock. Adjustable trigger running from 2 to 5 pounds pull weight. 11mm dovetail rail milled directly into the receiver. 5-round detachable magazine. Weight, 6.17 pounds. Retail runs $510 to $600 depending on configuration. The 24.8-inch barrel is not an accident. It is the longest standard barrel in this price tier for a reason. It extracts maximum velocity from 22 LR loads and provides extended harmonic dwell time that translates into smaller groups of distance. The honest limitation: this is a 5-round magazine standard, which matters during range sessions where you want volume. 10 and 25-round magazines are available but add cost. For a serious small game hunter or precision shooter who wants a platform that will still be relevant in 20 years, the CZ 457 American is one of the few rifles at this price point that genuinely ages with you. How many of you are running a CZ 457 right now? Drop the barrel length and your preferred load in the comments. That data belongs to this community. Number 2 is going to make some of you uncomfortable, because the price jumps, and then you see what it delivers. Number 2. Tikka T1x MTR Bolt-Action 22 LR. Finland makes the T1x, Beretta imports it, and it is quietly the most technically capable sub-$1,000 22 LR bolt-action you can buy in 2026. Here is what you are getting. Cold hammer-forged 20-inch crossover profile barrel, stainless steel bolt, modular synthetic stock with interchangeable pistol grip panels, 10-round proprietary double-stack magazine, and a factory trigger that breaks at 2.5 pounds out of the box without any aftermarket work. Overall length 37 3/4 inches, weight 5.5 pounds unloaded. MSRP sits at $699. The crossover barrel profile is the engineering detail that sets the T1X apart from bolt-action competition at this price point. It delivers the harmonic stability of a heavy profile barrel without the carry weight. In gun test evaluation, the T1X averaged 0.474-inch 5-shot groups at 50 yards. The trade-off: barrel swapping on this platform requires patience and the right gunsmith. The barrel screws are not hobbyist-friendly, and the stock is functional but not comfortable for everyone out of the box. At $699, this is not a casual purchase, but it is an honest purchase. A dedicated rimfire platform that does not compromise on the one thing that matters most: where the bullet goes. At number 1, we are talking about a rifle that changed what a Precision 22 LR is allowed to cost. Number 1. Ruger Precision Rimfire Bolt-Action 22 LR. At $529 MSRP, with street prices typically running $479 or less, fully free-floated 18-inch cold hammer-forged 1137 alloy steel barrel with a 5R rifled bore. Marksman adjustable trigger pulling from 2.25 to 5 pounds, adjustable without removing from the stock. 15-inch Magpul MLOK free-float aluminum handguard. 30 MOA Picatinny rail on top. Adjustable comb height. Threaded 1/2-inch by 28 muzzle. It accepts every 10-22 magazine ever produced, and ships with a 15-round BX-15. Weight 6.8 pounds. The bolt throw is adjustable between rimfire and short-action centerfire lengths, which replicates the feel of a centerfire precision rifle during dry-fire practice. That feature alone made this platform a fixture in long-range training programs within 1 season of release. The 5R rifled bore reduces bullet deformation and fouling compared to traditional rifling profiles. This is the same technology that moved into high-end centerfire match barrels. I'll be straight with you. I've stood over an exit hole at 250 yards made by 22 LR from one of these, and I understand why the community has adopted it the way it has. Nothing at this price bracket, nothing, delivers this level of platform adjustability, out-of-box trigger quality, and precision barrel technology in a 22 LR. The Ruger Precision Rimfire is not the most expensive rifle on this list. That is the part that keeps the expensive rifles awake at night. There it is. 10-22 LR rifles spanning $150 to $700. The question that matters now is this: which platform on this list represents the most honest value for a man who is serious about his rimfire game in 2026? Drop your pick and your reasoning below. I read every single one. And this community's opinion on that debate carries more weight than any review I could write. If any of these change how you think about your current setup, that is exactly what Guns and Geeks is here to do. Real specs with zero fluff, every week, no exceptions. Hit that subscribe button on Guns and Geeks and stay in this conversation.